तहरीर करदा बीबी फ़ातिमा बीजापुरे CSE डिपार्टमेंट। उन्वान है अल्लामा इकबाल को खराज अकीदत। डॉक्टर अल्लामा इकबाल एक शायर थे जिन्होंने गफलत की नींद में सोए मुसलमानों को जगाया और अपनी शायरी के ज़रिए इस्लाम का पैगाम बड़े मुयस्सर अंदाज से पहुंचाया। इन्हें शायर मशरिक़ भी कहा जाता है। अल्लामा इकबाल की शायरी में शाहीन का किरदार। अल्लामा इकबाल ने शाहीन को मुसलमानों के लिए बतौर अलामत इस्तेमाल किया। अल्लामा इकबाल का पैगाम था कि जिस तरह शाहीन की परवाज़ बुलंद है और वो अपने दोस्तों और दुश्मनों को बखूबी जानता है, इसी तरह मुसलमानों को भी चाहिए कि अपनी परवाज़ बुलंद रखें, ख्वाब देखें और अपने ख्वाबों की तकमील करें। किया मैंने इस खाकदां से किनारा जहाँ रिज़्क़ का नाम है आबोदाना। बयाबा की खुलूत खुश आती है मुझको, अज़ल से है फितरत मेरी रहबाना। ना बाद बहारी ना गुल से ना बुलबुल, ना बीमारी नगमा आशिकाना। खयाबानियों से है परहेज़ लाजिम, अदाएँ हैं इनकी बहुत दिल लुबाना। हमाम व कबूतर का भूखा नहीं मैं, कि है ज़िंदगी बाज की ज़ाहदाना। झपटना पलटना पलट कर झपटना, लहू गरम रखने का है एक बहाना। ये पूरब है पश्चिम चकोरों की दुनिया, मेरा नेलगों आसमां बेकाराना। परिंदों की दुनिया का दरवेश हूँ मैं, कि शाहीन बनाता नहीं आशियाना। द शाहीन is far-sighted. Who can believe that a common bird like a shaheen could be far-sighted? It can see the things miles away and throw the dust, even when the weather is not clear. It has a fixed goal and a dynamic vision. During the rain, when the other birds are in their nest, it is out there in the high sky. When other birds are just planning to fly, the shaheen has already covered thousands of miles. Allama Iqbal wants us to have a long-term goals and have our eyes on the prize, which is heaven. We should not give up on small things, and we should grow so strong that failure cannot scar us or make us give up. The shaheen is a bird that has many challenges during flying, but it overcomes easily. The one main quality that I found so interesting was that whatever this amazing bird does is not done randomly, but with proper planning. The shaheen remains focused. Hence, to rise and fly, we youth should stay determined and not be distracted easily. The shaheen is fearless. I was awestruck when I saw that the shaheen, in addition to being far-sighted, was also fearless. It is not afraid of taking risks or facing challenges. Iqbal wanted us to think, plan high, and also put in the required hard work. Another point which I thought was inspiring was that shaheen does not gather provisions like other birds. Rather, he is independent. It has a different standard than the rest and adopts its course instead of following someone else's path. Similarly, we must know where we are going and not let the wind blow us in a random direction. The shaheen is confident, and Iqbal draws a comparison between the two of us. He advises us not to blindly follow the dunya, but be self-confident on our identity instead of taking advantage of someone else's work. The shaheen is always moving forward. I was amazed to learn that the shaheen never stayed or made its home in a permanent place. Instead, it is always flying and moving ahead towards its real goal. Likewise, our ultimate goal is heaven, and we should not waste our lives by being absorbed in the present and forgetting the future. We, as believers, should be working hard for the journey of Akhirah. The shaheen does not cut himself completely from the world, but uses the necessary things to life and prioritize its goals. In the same way, we should prioritize our goals in the life, and the ultimate goal should be to achieve heaven. Through this, Allama Iqbal advises us to not focus on our negative thoughts, but to look towards the positive aspects of life. We must not dwell in the past, rather we should stay in the present and focus on the future. Looking at all the qualities of Shaheen and the reason that Allama Iqbal chose this bird, it is important for a believer to spend some time in solitude. Go through the journey of self-discovery and identify their potential. We should not be afraid of hard work. We need to aim high and work towards greatness to fulfill the dream of इकबाल। खूबसूरत ज़िंदगी मुतालिया और इस्लाम के बारे में अल्लामा इकबाल के उर्दू और अंग्रेज़ी में इत्तकाबासात, ताकतवर इत्तकाबासात जो आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी में बेहतर करने की तरगीब देंगे। सूरज ने दिया अपनी शुआओं को ये पैगाम, दुनिया है अजीब चीज़, कभी सुबह कभी शाम। The sun conveyed this message to its rays. What wonder great the change of nights and days. अमल से ज़िंदगी बनती है, जन्नत भी जहन्नुम भी, ये खाकी अपनी फितरत में ना नूरी है ना नारी है। By action life may become both paradise and hell. This creature of dust is its nature, is neither of light nor of fire. हो दीद का जो शौक़ तो आँखों को बंद कर, है देखना यही कि ना देखा करे कोई। Close your eyes if you want to taste for the sight. The real seeing is that one should not try to see him. तेरे इल्म व मोहब्बत की नहीं है इंतहा कोई, नहीं है तुझसे बढ़कर साज़े फितरत में नवा कोई। There is no limit to your knowledge and love in the instrument of nature. There is no sweeter song than you. कोई अंदाज़ा कर सकता है उसके ज़ोरे बाजू का, निगाह मुर्दे मोमिन से बदल जाती हैं तकदीरें। Can anyone even guess at the strength of his arm by the glance of the man who is a true believer? Even destiny is changed. ये दस्तूर ज़बान बंदी है कैसी करो महफिल में, यहाँ तो बात करने को तरसती है ज़बान मेरी। Why does this custom of silence exist in your assembly? My tongue is tantalized to talk in this assembly. सौदागरी नहीं ये इबादत खुदा की है, ए बेखबर जज़ा की तमन्ना भी छोड़ दे। This is not business, this is ibadat of God. O ignorant one, abandon the longing for reward also. मैं इंतहाई इश्क हूँ तो इंतहाई हुस्न, देखे मुझे कि देखे तुझको तमाशा करे कोई। I am extreme love, thou art the extreme beauty. One should see me or witness of this spectacle.